Let's recap what we've learned. The following problem types were moved from Common Core State Standard 1OA1 to second grade. Compare bigger unknown and compare smaller unknown. Remaining first grade problem types were moved from Table 1 in the unpacking documents and have been embedded in the new standard NC1 OA1. The commutative and associative properties are named in the standard. However, students do not need to know the names of these properties. Instead, they must be able to apply them as strategies to solve addition problems as stated in NC1 OA3. Common Core Standard 1OA5 has been completely removed from first grade content. However, NC1 OA9 is a new standard. The concept was removed from 1OA6. Students are expected to demonstrate fluency with addition and subtraction within 10. NC1 OA6 addresses one concept, which is add and subtract within 20 using strategies. Using a number line is listed as a tool to model a strategy. NC1 OA7 requires students to apply their understanding of the equal sign in order to determine if equations are true. In NC1 MBT.1, students wrote count to 150, not 120. The intention of this new range of numbers is to foster more pattern exploration. NC1 MBT7 is a new standard. Students are expected to read and write numerals to 100, not 120. This new range corresponds with place value instruction in first grade. In the revised standard, students compare two two-digit numbers. They should focus on the value of the tens and ones while comparing. NC1 MBT6 requires students to not only model math using 10 frames and other concrete and pictorial models, but to also model strategies of adding to or taking from a whole number on number lines. NC1 MD5 is a new standard. It expects first graders to identify the following coins: quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. First graders will also relate the coin values to pennies. In NC1 G2, students are now expected to name components of new composite shapes. Quarter circles should not be used to create composite shapes. Right is no longer a descriptor for 3D shapes used to create composite shapes. In NC1 G3, 4 equal shares are no longer described as quarters and are no longer referred to as quarter of a whole. Students are expected to demonstrate an understanding of equal shares by explaining what happens when whole numbers are decomposed into smaller shares. It's time to demonstrate your understanding of the revisions to your grade level standards by taking a 10-question quiz. Mastery is set at 80%. You will have 2 attempts to achieve mastery as needed. Click Next to continue to the quiz.